How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix error reading from loaded packet store CS2 on PC. Now, the main reason is of why this is happening is because of corrupted game files. So in order to fix this, it is extremely simple. First things first, you want to head over to store, and from here, you just want to navigate through your game, or in our case, it's going to be CS2. Click on properties and then navigate through the installed files. From here, you have the verify the game's files are installed correctly. Basically, with this option, it will verify if all of the files are installed correctly, meaning you will not have problem as such. So to demonstrate, let's click on the verify integrity of game files. It will now load in and check every file of this specific application. And if it has found something corrupted, it will simply fix it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.